everybody, Brad at Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today, we have a Gen 3 Hemi 392 cubic inch motor here. Just got done making some beautiful power on our dyno. We got the Holly kit on here, and got the manifold on here with the air body on top, injectors right here. Looks great, sounds great, performs great. If you want an engine that performs great in your ride, do not hesitate to give us a call. We will be here to put some power, inject some power in your ride, and get you rolling down the street in style. Give us a call, 1-800-267-3940.
Beautiful.